Yep.
Okay. Well, this is actually my first video I'm gonna post.
What's up?
I've made more, but I haven't never posted them. Look. Right there's a bunch of birds. I got this little bow and a little field tip on it. We've been just shooting out of can, videoing it slow motion, but we're gonna walk over there. I'm gonna go right there to the bushes. Okay, my cousin Ashton, he's the cameraman.
Yeah.
And he's
Hi.
He's gonna be cameraman, so look,
Okay.
we're gonna be super quiet, so don't talk to me. I'm gonna walk around and look. Look, I'm gonna walk through there, so I'm gonna walk through, and I'm gonna curve all the way around.
Come on. Right there. It's not there. I'll meet you on the other side.
Guys, it's so hard because the bird keeps on hopping away.
Let's do this.
The sun is right in the camera though. Do you see him? Or do you just hear him?
license plates.
I can get up under all those trees.
You don't want to show license plates. What? That's one just flying over there. Oh, you have a low battery. 10%. Oh, dude, there's a deer trail. It's all the way up in there. You can make a fort in there. You want to? Look at that. Look at that. It splits off. Alright, guys. I don't think we're going to get one because the low battery.
Wait. I want to see because these things will come out anytime.
And we're going to start getting some footage of the tree.
I don't have no sights on this bow, so it's just gonna be a luck. I'm not gonna do
You are? You shoot there and hope you get lucky. Look at this doofus right here. Walking and briars, yo. Look at that. Outdoor. I see a big bird over there. Doofus. He was all the way over there. Yeah, no. He's already too far. What?
You guys think it's easy to kill birds in your yard?
It's not.
They're in your yard till you try to kill them.
Yeah. I mean, unless you have some bird trap throw gauge and
If we had like
just like a cheap old double barrel.
a little shotgun, every single one of these would be dead.
If you could shoot up in the tree and have bird shot raining down.
Yeah, we can't shoot up in the tree right now. And because we don't want to with a bow, because the arrow can come down anywhere.
And kill someone. So, and we're in like a public area. So.
And just because everything that we actually do,
It's for your entertainment. Don't try this
No.
at home. No, really don't.
it's for you do.
Oh, he flew away. He flew away. He's in the woods. He's in the woods. It's about to go down that one. He's right there. He's right there. He's right there in that greenery. He's in there, I'm telling you. I saw him fly in there. No, don't go in there. This video's 10 minutes already.
Unless I put my hand on